Well, brevity is the soul of wit.
Here are the nominees for Best Animated Short Film. Dear Basketball, Glenn Keane and Kobe Bryant. Garden Party, Victor Kerr and Gabriel Caperon. Lou, Dave Mullins and Dana Murray. Negative Space, Max Porter and Rue Oaxaca. Revolting Rhymes, Jacob Shu and Jan Mahal.
And the Oscar goes to... Don't say La La Land, don't say La La Land.
Dear Basketball, Glenn Keane and Kobe!
This is the first Oscar and nomination for Glenn Keane and Kobe Bryant.
Thank you, Academy. Thank you, Jenny Rim, Max Keane, our entire crew, for your incredible talents. My wife, Linda, for your years of love and support. And to Kobe, for writing Dear Basketball. It's a message for all of us. Whatever form your dream may take, it's through passion and perseverance that the impossible is possible.
I don't know if it's possible. I mean, as basketball players, we're really supposed to shut up and dribble, but I'm glad we did a little bit more than that. Thank you, Academy, for this amazing honor. Thank you, John Williams, for such a wonderful piece of music. Thank you, Verizon, for believing in the film. Thank you, Molly Carter. Without you, we wouldn't be here. And to my wife, Vanessa, our daughters, Natalia, Gianna, and Bianca, ti amo con tutto il mio cuore. You are my inspiration. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.